Quick question. When was the last time you actually thought about what you'd do if the power went out for more than a couple of hours? Not just a quick flicker, but a real prolonged blackout. Maybe it's been years, or maybe you've never really considered it at all. The truth is, power outages can happen to anyone, anywhere, and often when we least expect them. Whether it's a big storm, a grid failure, or something else entirely, being caught off guard can make a stressful situation even worse. Most of us don't really think about it until it happens. And then, suddenly, we're scrambling around in the dark, bumping into furniture, searching for that one flashlight we think we have somewhere, or digging through drawers for candles. It's easy to feel unprepared and even a little panicked when you realize how much you rely on electricity for your daily routine. The smallest things, like finding your way to the bathroom or keeping your kids calm, can become surprisingly difficult. Those little inconveniences, like not being able to charge your phone or opening the fridge just to see what's inside, can quickly turn into real problems after just a day without electricity. Think about it. Your phone is your lifeline for information and communication, but what happens when the battery runs out? And that fridge full of groceries? Without power, it won't take long before food starts to spoil, and you're left with a mess and nothing to eat. No running water, spoiled food, and trouble staying warm or cool can sneak up fast. If you rely on an electric stove or microwave, cooking becomes a challenge. If it's winter, keeping your family warm is suddenly a top priority. In the summer, staying cool and hydrated is just as important. And let's not forget about water. If your home uses an electric pump, you might lose access to running water altogether. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they can become serious issues if you're not ready. That's why today, I'm breaking down the practical, affordable essentials you need to ride out a prolonged blackout safely and comfortably. We'll cover everything from lighting and food storage to water, communication, and keeping your family entertained and calm. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting to think about emergency readiness, I'll show you simple steps you can take right now to make sure you're never caught off guard. So grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's dive in. When it comes to preparing for emergencies, there's one resource that stands above all others: water. It's the foundation of survival, and without it, even the best-laid plans can fall apart. Imagine a scenario where the power suddenly goes out, the lights flicker off, appliances stop humming, and you're left in silence. But what many people don't realize is that water access can vanish just as quickly as the electricity. If your home relies on an electric pump to draw water from a well, or if you live in an apartment building that uses a booster system to deliver water to upper floors, a power outage can mean your taps run dry in minutes. Even if you're connected to a city water supply, you're not immune. Extended outages can cause water pressure to drop or even stop altogether, leaving you scrambling for alternatives. And it's not just about quantity, quality matters too. During long blackouts, water treatment plants may not function properly, and pipes can lose pressure, allowing contaminants to seep in. You might turn on the tap and find only a trickle, or worse, water that's cloudy or unsafe to drink. In some cases, authorities may issue boil water advisories, but if you're not prepared, you might not have the means to make your water safe. That's why experts recommend storing at least 1 gallon of water per person, per day, for a minimum of 3 days. This covers basic drinking and sanitation needs, but if you have the space, storing more is always better. Think about your family's unique needs. Do you have young children, elderly relatives, or anyone with medical conditions? They may require extra water for formula, medications, or hygiene. When it comes to storage, use only clean, food-grade containers. Before filling them, wash each container thoroughly with soap and water, then rinse with a mild bleach solution to kill any lingering bacteria. This simple step can prevent contamination and keep your stored water safe for months. But what if your stored water runs out, or you need to use water from an uncertain source? Always have backup purification methods on hand. Water purification tablets are compact and easy to use, while portable filters can turn questionable water into something safe to drink. And don't forget the classic method: boiling. If you have a camping stove or another way to heat water, boiling for at least 1 minute can kill most pathogens. Remember, your pets are part of the family too. Dogs, cats, and other animals need clean water just as much as people do. Make sure to include them in your calculations when you're planning your emergency water supply. Water isn't just for drinking. You'll need it for cooking meals, washing hands, brushing teeth, and even flushing toilets if the outage lasts more than a day or two. Hygiene is crucial during emergencies to prevent illness, so don't underestimate how much water you'll actually use. The bottom line, before you worry about anything else, make sure you have a solid water plan in place. Take inventory of your supplies, talk with your family about how much you'll need, and set aside time to prepare. Water is your #1 priority. Secure it now, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Next up, food. When preparing for emergencies, having enough food on hand is absolutely essential. It's not just about filling your pantry, it's about making sure you and your loved ones have the right kinds of food to keep you nourished, energized, and feeling secure, no matter how long the power is out or the roads are closed. When the fridge is down, you need shelf-stable foods that don't require electricity. Think about foods that can last for months or even years without spoiling. These are your lifeline when fresh food isn't an option. Stock up on canned goods like beans, soups, vegetables, and meats. Peanut butter is a great source of protein and healthy fats, and granola bars are perfect for quick energy. Instant oatmeal is another excellent choice. It's filling, easy to prepare, and doesn't take up much space. Make a list of your family's favorite shelf-stable foods and check your supplies regularly. Remember to include foods that everyone will actually eat, especially if you have picky eaters or dietary restrictions in your household. Always have a manual can opener. Don't rely on electric ones. In a power outage, a simple manual opener is your best friend. It's a small tool, but it makes a huge difference when you need to access your canned goods. Choose foods that don't need much water or cooking, like dried fruits. Dried fruits are packed with vitamins and natural sugars for energy, and they're easy to snack on throughout the day. Nuts and crackers are also excellent options. Nuts provide protein and healthy fats, while crackers are a satisfying, crunchy snack that pairs well with spreads or canned foods. Don't forget to include some comfort foods, maybe chocolate, cookies, or your favorite chips. In stressful times, a familiar treat can lift everyone's spirits and make things feel a little more normal. Rotate your stock so nothing goes to waste. Check expiration dates every few months and use up older items first. This way, your emergency stash stays fresh and ready whenever you need it. If you have a camp stove or grill, store fuel safely and use them outside only. Never use these indoors, as it can be dangerous. Make sure you have enough fuel for several days and know how to operate your equipment safely. Keep your food stash organized and easy to reach. Use labeled bins or baskets to separate different types of food, and make sure everyone in the family knows where to find what they need. With a little planning, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're ready for whatever comes your way. Stumbling around in the dark is dangerous. LED lanterns and flashlights are must-haves. Get one for each family member, stock up on extra batteries, or use rechargeable options with solar or hand crank features. Headlamps are great for hands-free tasks and make things fun for kids. Battery-powered string lights can brighten up a room and boost morale. Avoid candles as your main light source. They're a fire hazard. Prep your lighting now, and you won't be left in the dark. Phones are our lifeline for news and emergencies. Invest in high-capacity power banks. Keep them charged and ready. Solar chargers are great for longer outages. Just set them in the sun. Make sure your power banks work with all your devices. Some even have built-in flashlights or can jump-start a car. Keep all charging cables organized in one spot. With a little planning, you'll stay connected when it matters most. Don't get caught searching for adapters in the dark. Staying comfortable during a blackout can be a safety issue, not just convenience. For cold weather, use indoor safe heaters and plenty of blankets or sleeping bags. In hot climates, battery-powered fans, cooling towels, and staying hydrated are key. Block sunlight with curtains and hang out in the coolest part of your home. If you have a fireplace, keep dry wood ready and use it safely. Check on pets and elderly family members. They're more vulnerable to temperature extremes. With the right gear, you can ride out the storm safely. Don't be without a well-stocked first aid kit during a blackout. Include basics, bandages, antiseptic wipes, tape, tweezers, and scissors. Add over-the-counter meds and any prescription medications. Keep at least a week's supply. Store a list of emergency contacts, allergies, and medical conditions in your kit. Check your kit regularly and replace expired items. Accidents happen more often in the dark, so be ready. Staying healthy keeps a blackout from becoming a real emergency. Sanitation is critical when the water stops flowing. Stock up on moist towelettes, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant wipes. Trash bags are essential for waste, and heavy-duty bags can double as makeshift toilets. Just add kitty litter or sawdust. Don't forget toilet paper, paper towels, and feminine hygiene products. If you have a portable camping toilet, know how to use it and have enough supplies. Baking soda or deodorizing tablets help keep things fresh. Good sanitation keeps you healthy during a blackout. When the internet and TV go down, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio is your best friend. Get one that picks up no AA weather alerts and has multiple power options. Some radios have built-in flashlights or USB charging. Bonus, keep it in an easy-to-find spot and check batteries regularly. Accurate info helps you make smart decisions and stay safe. Things break at the worst times during a blackout. Have a basic toolkit, multi-tool, duct tape, screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, and utility knife. Duct tape and zip ties can fix almost anything in a pinch. Super glue and a small hammer are handy too. Keep tools organized and easy to find. You don't need to be a pro, just ready for quick fixes. A little prep keeps your home safe and functional. Don't forget to keep spirits up during a blackout. Books, board games, puzzles, and cards provide entertainment without power. Comfort items like blankets, snacks, or stuffed animals make things easier. Play music, tell stories, or just talk. Use the time to connect. A little fun goes a long way in tough situations. Staying positive is just as important as having supplies. Blackouts are easier when you're in it together. Those are my top essentials for surviving a prolonged power outage. As blackouts become more common, being prepared is a must. Don't wait, gather these essentials and make a plan with your family. Even a little preparation makes a huge difference. Share this video so others can be ready too. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.